Given that he was killed in public while hosting an event, there are videos of the moment of Kirk's death going all around the internet.
The brutal stabbing of a Ukrainian refugee on a train in North Carolina also circling the web right now. Viewing videos like these can have a serious impact on your mental health. Amy Cho spoke with a psychology professor about the health impacts.
Well, it goes without saying that violent images are horrifying to watch. It's why NBC News has a longstanding policy of not showing them on TV. We'll typically freeze a video before the moment of impact, we'll blur out the gory parts, and we'll give a warning like the one you heard right before this story began. But on social media, it only takes seconds for a violent video to spread across the world. We saw this yesterday when conservative activist Charlie Kirk was shot and killed. And we saw it last month when Ukrainian refugee Irina Zarutska was stabbed and killed on a train in Charlotte.
Because it is that unanticipated, unexpected shock that can lead to negative psychological impact.
Psychology professor Jashawn Mance at Howard University studies trauma and mental health. She says it can be easy to fall into a trap of doom scrolling, especially when you see something upsetting. But it's important to take breaks from social media.
Essentially, your central nervous system is reacting and responding and is activated. And so kind of engaging in activities that can kind of allow you for a reset.
News 4 reached out to social media companies to ask what their policies are around violent videos. Meta owns Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and WhatsApp. The company says the Charlie Kirk killing videos won't necessarily be taken down, but will instead have a sensitive warning label and be restricted to users 18 and up. According to Meta's website, sometimes those experiences and issues involve violence and graphic images that are of public interest or concern, such as human rights abuses or acts of terrorism. In many instances, when people share this type of content, they are condemning it or raising awareness about it. As for TikTok, the company says it doesn't allow gory, gruesome, disturbing, or extremely violent content, and they're putting in extra safeguards to keep people from unexpectedly seeing videos that violate their rules. However, TikTok's guidelines say some content is allowed under a public interest exception. Those videos are not shown in the For You feed and also have a warning label and are restricted to 18 and up. But regardless of the policies, Professor Mance says it's important to maintain humanity before sharing these videos.
And just being mindful, if we're your family member, would you want that content spread across social media for millions to comment?
Amy Cho reporting. Now, during today's media conference announcing the arrest of Charlie Kirk's suspected killer, Utah's Governor Spencer Cox said social media is a big part of the problem. He encouraged people to go outside and touch grass.